Hello, world. It's your man, B9. Ready for a good time. I hope and pray that you are having a blessed day as usual. We are going to talk about our third and final um, flight vehicle in our little flying car series here. Today, we want to talk about the opener butterfly. The opener butterfly pretty much is welcoming in the age of the Jetsons. If you are around my age, you should know about George Jetson and his futuristic cars and his futuristic lifestyle and the catchy tune. Well, we are now at that time, ladies and gentlemen. We are the Jetsons. An opener butterfly is trying to get us there. Even though it's on a small scale, the beginning is here. And what opener butterfly does, it is trying to replace the car, but it doesn't have any wheels. So how does it qualify as a car, you ask? Talk to me, B9. How is it a car if it doesn't have any wheels, no tires? What they're trying to advocate for is the Jetsons, ladies and gentlemen. A certain part of airspace that is strictly dedicated to those type of vehicles. Thus, they will work as a car, but they would work as a car without ever touching the road, only except to land and while taking off. While in flight, that is where all of the transportation happens. Kind of like a drone in a sense, a human drone. Another great thing about the opener butterfly, it is 100% electric. So they're trying to build toward the Tesla electric vehicle movement. The downside is because this is so new, it can only get 25 miles per charge. It can go up to 62 miles per hour, but can only cover a 25-mile radius per charge in the air. So that pretty much makes it an air taxi or a recreational vehicle right now. It's nothing that you can depend on or would want to depend on to go long distances or to travel to new places, because you want to make sure that wherever you are at, you're going to get a charge. No question about it. So, last thing, it's going around for $94,000 to start out with. But after that, it's only going to get better with time. We'll talk more about it later. God bless.